On today's video, we got a special unboxing. It's the 92mm Throttle Body. It's, you know, pretty well packaged up, taped up extremely good. They ship it just like this in the retail box, and you can get them off eBay, 50 to 60 bucks. So let's check it out. I know if you're watching this video, you either doing an LS swap project, or you enjoy my content and you're just watching because you enjoy seeing me, or you're looking into buying one of these 92mm and want to see what kind of quality you get out of the box. Because one thing about purchasing stuff that's kind of cheap is you want to see what quality is, because you can have terrible quality in some of this stuff. Then some stuff you can buy can be great quality. I mean, not everything that's cheap is a bad deal. So, opens up pretty easy. Let's get a close-up. So we tried the classic just straight down to unbox shot, the classic one. We get a manual. Looks pretty cool. Probably instructions. Well, that's a booklet of other stuff they sell, I guess. That's cool. Focus on performance. Okay. Throttle body screws. Now they sell this in a 3-bolt and a 4-bolt. This is a 4-bolt version because we're using a Trailblazer SS intake on the car that we're putting this on. Packaging foam. That's what I call this. I don't know what you would call it. It's packaged extremely good. Just like seeing some foam underneath of it, or on top a little bit better, because you know it could have stuff that could hit this and damage us. We're not going to need a box anymore, are we? Put that away. So we'll open this up here. Looks extremely good out of the box. I don't see no nicks, no buzz on it. This is the vent tube. It's been, ooh, it's kind of loose, that vent tube is, was it? Okay, that's good quality though, guys. Might be a bit of a vacuum leak, might not, depends how well we put that in. I might have to clean that up, put some Loctite on that to seal this off. This is where the throttle positioning sensor goes, your idle air control. Inside we got 2 Phillips head bolts. Probably want to put some Loctite on that. Got a very stout spring on it. Very stout, so throttle is going to feel very good in the cab, because these springs do make you have a different pedal feel depending on the spring tension. Got an adjustment here to adjust that. The surface looks extremely smooth. No nicks on where the O-ring will sit, but we do got some little nicks here and there, but nothing that should affect sealing. So for 50 bucks, this is what you get. It's just a throttle body. It functions. It lets air into the intake. It's got a port up top, and it's got all your idle air control and your throttle positioning thing here for your stock sensors. It uses a cable, so if you drive by wire and you're using Trailblazer SS intake like I am, you can get this and make it, into a cable version. They do sell this in different versions. As I said, they sell it for 3-bolt intakes, sell it 4 bolts, and in different combinations. It's just Amazon, eBay special 92mm throttle body. If you search it up, you're going to see these. Different prices, different people sell them. I think he actually rebranded by different companies, but it's the same thing. We can tell by looking at it. It just some might have better quality control than the cheaper ones. If you found one like 30 bucks, I say it's been in like a discontinued bin because it's nicked or got a bent place in it. So even though it's a cheap throttle body, if you find one cheaper than 50 bucks, the quality's probably going to be worse than this one, which ain't got bad quality. It's just the vacuum port I didn't like, and these 4-ways here. Don't even know if they got Loctite on them, because most of the times these are rivets. But I don't know, I'm happy with it. If you're looking to buy, let me know in the comment section if this video helped you made up your mind. If you're new, get subscribed. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching. More videos to come. I upload daily content. Stay tuned.